This video will show resurfacing balcony with Mapei's Concrete Renew. Concrete Renew is a one-component polymer-modified cementitious material for the resurfacing of existing concrete to provide a like-new look to concrete surfaces. Before any job site installation, review the mixing and installation procedures of all selected MAPEI products. Make sure to reference the latest version of the product's technical data sheets, or TDS, available on Mapei's website. Concrete Renew can be installed over slab-on-grade. Also, it is freeze-thaw stable and resistant to de-icing salts. Where to use? Interior or exterior use, resurfacing of sound concrete surfaces, residential vehicle and pedestrian applications, textured skip trowel finishes, resurfacing of old concrete retaining walls, dressing up worn or spalled concrete to provide a like-new finish to a garage floor. Review the TDS limitations before selecting Concrete Renew. Be sure to have the proper PPE and all the equipment required for the installation. Concrete Renew can only be installed on concrete substrates. It should be noted that the system won't hide surface irregularities and cracks. In case of large defects, use the repair mortar Planitop 13 or Mapecem Quickpatch as a resurfacing material, and EPOJET NA or Planabond Hi-Mod MV for cracks. For all cracks exceeding 1 mm in width, open to a V-shape and apply an epoxy resin such as EPOJET or Planabond Hi-Mod MV. Follow the selected repair mortar TDS for mixing and installation instructions. To estimate the quantities of Concrete Renew, adjust the yield off of the TDS. 1.5 to 3 mm covers 2.05 to 4.18 square meters per bag. You may also access the product calculator on our website. Calculate the area to cover and the amount of products needed. Mechanically profile and prepare concrete surfaces by engineer-approved methods in accordance with the most current ICRI 310.2R guidelines to obtain a concrete surface profile, CSP, between 2 and 3. Apply the mixed Concrete Renew with a trowel at a thickness of 1.5 to 3 mm. Leave the first coat to dry for approximately 3 hours before applying the second coat. Apply a second coat, again at a thickness of 1.5 to 3 mm. Leave Concrete Renew to cure for 24 hours. To ensure long-lasting protection, apply 1 to 2 coats of Planiseal WR100 water repellent sealer, which penetrates the surface and mitigates moisture and chloride intrusion as well as efflorescence. Note, reapply the sealer Planiseal WR100 if required. The system can be open to traffic after 24 hours. Concrete Renew requires minimal maintenance for a durable service life. The overlay should be inspected every year for any failure. If needed, immediately repair any defects.